Once upon a time, there was a young monk named Keshava, who lived in a monastery nestled in the mountains. Keshava was known for his kind heart and gentle nature, but he often struggled with his own restless mind. One day, the venerable master of the monastery noticed Keshava's inner turmoil and decided to teach him a valuable lesson. He called Keshava to his chambers and handed him a cup filled to the brim with water. The master said to Keshava, "Take this cup and walk around the courtyard without spilling a single drop of water." Keshava nodded and carefully took the cup in his hands. He started walking slowly, eyes fixed on the water, fearing that even the slightest movement might cause it to spill. As he made his way around the courtyard, he became more and more anxious. His breath quickened, and his mind raced with worries of failure. Each step became a struggle, as his trembling hands could barely hold the cup steady. Suddenly, the master stepped in front of Keshava and said, "Why are you so agitated? Look up and enjoy the beauty of the garden." Keshava looked around and saw the vibrant flowers, the graceful trees, and the peaceful atmosphere of the monastery. He realized that in his obsession with not spilling the water, he had missed experiencing the present moment. With a newfound sense of calm, Keshava straightened his posture and continued his walk, no longer fixated on the cup. His mind settled, and his movements became more fluid. To his surprise, he completed the circuit without spilling a single drop of water. The master smiled and said, "Keshava, keeping the mind calm is like carrying the cup of water. When you are consumed by worry and anxiety, your mind becomes agitated, and you lose touch with the beauty and peace around you. But when you remain present and centered, your mind becomes still and clear, enabling you to navigate life's challenges with grace and ease." From that day forward, Keshava practiced mindfulness and meditation diligently, learning to keep his mind calm in all circumstances. He discovered that by focusing on the present moment, he could cultivate inner peace and find joy in even the simplest of activities. The story of Keshava reminds us that by staying grounded and keeping our minds calm, we can better navigate the ups and downs of life, finding tranquility and happiness in the present moment.